In this specific video, I will be demonstrating to you the power of having the right tool to do your lead magnets can make a big difference in you actually doing lead magnets on your campaigns. The platform that I'm using is called LeadCreator, and this is the dashboard that you're looking at. The LeadCreator dashboard is quite simple. You'll be greeted with this screen on the home page where it prompts you to create your first lead magnet, to just go ahead and click the green button. So when you click that, then the parameters of the lead magnet, you would enter them here in these fields. In the new lead magnet window, we'll give it a name. This is just for your reference. Why marketers don't bother to do lead magnets. And the category, you enter the category, which in this case is lead magnet. And for this example, I'm going to use the raw ChatGPT template. However, LeadCreator has a large choice of templates to choose from, ranging from the raw ChatGPT 5-point listicle all the way down to ebook creator. But we'll do the raw ChatGPT, and the more info that you give the prompt, it's the better quality output that you get from the ChatGPT. So this is what I entered to explain the complexity of putting a lead magnet together with the different tools such as ChatGPT or your favorite AI content generator to apply your content. In addition to our content management system, CMS like WordPress, with an editor to house the lead magnet content, including a graphic form template like Canva with a template design that is appropriate. In addition to a template, one would have to choose an appropriate font to copy and paste over the ChatGPT content, plus needing to add the integration into the autoresponder. The lead magnet autoresponder trigger link has to go to a thank you page to deliver the lead magnet. The Sharable URL has to have a way to track your conversions. Conversions also have to be in an accessible location where those conversions can easily be segmented. Explain the need to be able to edit previously distributed lead magnets that would dynamically be updated on the fly. Then, demonstrate how LeadCreator AI can accomplish the previously stated tasks into a complete package. Okay, so the persona we'll use here is Neil Patel. And point of view is going to be you, yours, but you have a choice here of first person, singular, plural, or third person. Language is English, and we'll do a 12th grade reading level. The choices of the reading levels is from 8th grade, 10th grade, 12th grade, and college. We'll do the 12th grade for this example and click create. Then LeadCreator is going to use the AI that's built in to the app to build an article. Just like that, I did this in real time and it came up with this output. The complexity of creating a lead magnet with AI tools and CMS. So of course, we have to read through the content here, but this seems pretty good. And it came up with a conclusion. Creating a lead magnet involves a series of complex steps that require careful planning and execution. LeadCreator AI simplifies this process, providing a powerful tool set of creating and managing lead magnets effectively. So that sounds good. It's short, concise, to the point. And this is how LeadCreator can really help you produce killer lead magnets. This is a fully editable editor, built-in editor. You can put in graphics. I like to use Napkin AI for my graphics. I'll put the link in the below where you can get free access to Napkin AI. Napkin AI allows you to create graphics based off of the content. For example, if I highlight the heading and click on the line in bold, then Napkin AI will come up with an assortment of graphics that you can choose from to apply to that with its own built-in text. Their library of images is constantly growing, so you can explore to try and find something appropriate to what you're looking for. And what their graphics has text associated with it also that's relevant to the point that you're trying to make. Let's go ahead and select this lighthouse one. And then once you get into the lighthouse one, you have an assortment of lighthouses. And then once you have the graphic in the article or in the lead magnet copy, you can go ahead and export it as a PNG. So once you've decided on the graphic that you want, highlight the whole graphic, right-click, export, and copy it to the clipboard. Then go over to your LeadCreator editor, and on the LeadCreator editor, this is where we wanted the graphic. Create a space for it, and right-click, paste. There's a graphic. You can resize it to whatever you want. You can do this for every subheading on the rest of your lead magnet. You can also style your heading to whatever color you want. You can center it so that it would flow a lot better. Once you're finished and satisfied with proofread your lead magnet, then it's possible to start the next step of the promotion. The main purpose of doing this whole exercise is for lead captures. So if you go into the email capture section of LeadCreator, you would have the different templates that you can employ to do the lead magnet. You have the standard template, an ebook style template, blurred vision template, video template, and email capture form. You fill out the fields. To select, you can style it to the way you want, and you can also have a trigger. The assortment of triggers that's available is a blur timer. After 10 seconds, you get a blur with a pop-up template. Half page blur, so the top of the page will be visible, but the rest will be blurred behind the lead capture. On mouse scroll, when the reader is scrolling through the document, you can set whatever section of the document you want to be blurred. So that's just the tip of the iceberg of what LeadCreator has to offer. If you click on the link below, you would be directed to the homepage where you can get further information about LeadCreator. Go ahead and click on the link below and you won't regret it.